Hey everyone, it's Mari here. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. I have a really quick flip through of a baby album that I made just recently for a baby gift, and I just wanted to share this album with you. I created it using a Simple Stories snap album, and I also used the Echo Park collection Bundle of Joy, and I'm going to be showing you that here. It's just a really gorgeous, sweet little collection. And I think there was another collection that I kind of combined in with this. I can't remember what it was, maybe Sweet Baby Boy or something like that. But at any rate, that's mostly what I used was the Bundle of Joy collection. So you can see here how I created the cover page. It's just a piece of patterned paper cut down to fit the front, and then I've just used some stickers and some other die cuts to embellish the cover with, and also a little bit of ribbon. Now I really have fashioned my album after and really used a lot of the patterns from the Vicki Boutin Christmas albums. And if you have never used Vicki's or have never created one of Vicki's Christmas albums, they are absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend you go over to her Facebook page and find out more information about her Christmas albums. You can see that this is a very interactive little album. There's all kinds of spots to put little bits of information, to glue in pictures and write some journaling and all that kind of thing. Like I said, it's extremely interactive, and there's lots of places to put all of the little cherished memories for the baby. I created this for actually one of my grade 12 girls that's expecting a baby right away here. She's just a most amazing girl, and I just wanted to give her something really special, a place for her to document her memories of this baby that she's going to be having really soon. And she knows that she's having a baby boy, so that made it really super easy for me to plan what I wanted to do here for this book. So you can see that the collection is just a combination of blues and teals and yellows and browns, just a lot of really pretty colors, greens, with some vibrant green here. I use lots of little bits and pieces of cardstock too from my stash to try to use that up and work that in with the album and the collection as well. So you can see all of these really adorable little icons that are part of this collection as well. Now, most of these products for this book I purchased through the Scrapbook Nerd online shop. I am going to leave a link to the shop, and I don't know how many of these products are still in stock. I'm fairly certain that Joy has one of these albums for sure, but you can double check and go over there. You can even email Joy if there's anything that you need that she doesn't have. She might even be able to get you some things still if you wanted to make one of these albums. But it is just so cute. I just love it, and I feel like when the mom gets this little album, she's really going to enjoy it. This is one of my favorite little ideas that Vicki has in her books, or that she has in the past, is just this little spot where you can make the accordion fold, and then you tie it up and you unfold it, untie it and unfold it. It's pretty cool. And you can see here some more little flip pages here. And you can use the front sides and the back sides of all of these little spots. There's lots of little pocket page inserts here as well that make it really easy to just slip your little 3x4 photos or your 4x6 photos into the pockets. And then these snap albums have all of these really heavy cardstock inserts in them, like the one that's on the left there, so that all you really have to do is embellish it with some stickers and, you know, die cuts and that sort of thing. Lots of the die cuts have been popped up on some foam adhesive, and you can see here that I'm using a few other little die cuts here that maybe aren't from that Bundle of Joy collection also. So just really, really cute. And then of course there's some heavy chipboard dividers here as well. And some of the little stickers that were in the sticker packs actually had the tabs that fit perfectly on there. I actually think that was from Simple Stories. I had a Simple Story sticker sheet to use here as well. And I'm going to show you that, I think, before I'm done, just show you a couple of the other products I used. Thanks so much, guys, for stopping by today. I hope you were inspired and got some ideas for creating a little mini album of your own. So much fun, and I just had a blast creating this, and it's going to be so much fun to gift this to her and watch her open it and see the joy in her face. I think she's really going to love it. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys, and I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.